Okay, in this question, this equivalent exposure question, we know what our settings are to start with. We have 1/30 and f16, but what we don't know is what our next settings are going to be. We have to figure it out because it asks which is an equivalent exposure that will give you stop action. So we know that we need to move our shutter speeds to the right some amount of numbers. So we need to, first of all, find a setting or a pair of settings that has a shutter speed that is greater than 1/30. And we also need to make sure that they match. So if I move like 4, for example, this way, I need to also move 4 that way. So there's going to be some distractors in my list that aren't equivalent, and there might be some distractors that go this direction and don't have stop action. So we need to make sure that it's higher than 1/30 of a second. So the one that I figured it probably was has 1/500th of a second as the shutter speed. And then because the other ones seem to be stop action, like 1/1000 was an option, 1/250. 1/60 probably wouldn't work, so I could cross that one off. So I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down. So I'm going to try this. So 1/500 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I move in the equal and opposite direction in my apertures, because I'm letting in less light with my shutter speeds, I have to let in more light with my apertures by making those apertures wider. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that an option? 1/500 at f4. Yes, it is.